Hey folks, Virgin Voyages has introduced Marvelous Voyages, some all-new voyages for 2026, including 2 Solar Eclipse cruises for August of 2026. First, we have Total Eclipse of the Med, a 12-night sailing on August 10th through the 22nd, 2026. You're going to start in Barcelona, you're going to end up in Civitavecchia, and the ship will put you in the path of totality. Next, Eclipse in the Land of Fire and Ice. This is the 15-night on the Valiant Lady, August 5th through the 20th, 2026. It'll be round trip Portsmouth, and you'll be in the path of totality somewhere near Iceland. Next up, Emerald Isles and Highland Wonders, a 14-night itinerary on the Valiant Lady, sailing July 8th through the 22nd. Round trip Portsmouth, taking you to Ireland, Scotland, England, and Belgium. Then Baltic Wonders and Nordic Nights, another 14-night itinerary on the Valiant Lady, sailing July 22nd through August 5th, 2026. Round trip Portsmouth, you'll visit Germany, Denmark, Sweden, Estonia, and Norway. Next up, Istanbul Delights and Santorini Dreams, 11 nights on the Scarlet Lady, June 24th through July 5th, 2026. Round trip Piraeus, this features an overnight in Istanbul, Turkey, and extended stays throughout Greece and Turkey. Moroccan Marvels and Mediterranean Wonders. This will be a 10-night on the Valiant Lady, June 28th through July 8th, 2026. Sailing from Barcelona to Portsmouth, you'll visit Morocco, Portugal, Spain, and France with extended and overnight stays. And the Brilliant Lady Panama Canal Cruise in March of 2026 and the LA to Vancouver trip in May of 2026, those have also been branded as a Marvelous Voyage. Those are on sale right now. And if you have loyalty in Virgin Voyages, some of these cruises are going to be available starting on August 14th, so you can get a jump on these. Now, these are one-time sailings, so if you have interest in sailing on these Marvelous Voyages, just reach out. We are a top 100 Virgin Voyage sales agent here in North America. We'd love to help you get ready for your Virgin Voyage. So just reach out. Where'swaltertravel.com. Have an awesome day, everybody.